city. Now coming back to Swiss Garden Hotel, it is a 4-star hotel which provides a selection of well-appointed rooms from the deluxe to family rooms.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a tour, a Kuala Lumpur tour. Kuala Lumpur's, I'm on a hop-on Hotel Royal Signature is there. We are, there's also Travel Lodge. I want to see, since we arrived in Kuala Lumpur, we have never done any tours. So today I decided, let me just quickly go with my wife.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arrived at number 15, Swiss Garden Hotel. Sub number 15, Swiss
Me and
Garden
my wife
Hotel.
here now, guys. We are now on a bus, as you can see here now. We are trying our best, but you know, you can't see it clearly. Yeah, we are trying our best to try and see other places, you know. Yeah, so it is. Now they can see nicely. All right. But guys, be with us, all right? Yeah.
It's the light, that's why you say it's
They've got such a beautiful buildings, these people here. They've got such a beautiful buildings. I think these are all lights, especially at night. This building, there's lights all over. Yeah, this is lights. They put some lights on the building itself. As you can see, we're on a traffic. Right, we're on a traffic. It is a hotel Traders Hotel, or Transit Hotel Transit. All right, Hotel Transit, guys. Oh, but it's so hot. And that's Maybank. It's too hot, guys. I'll have to run inside. Okay. Here's the bridge. It's a bridge.
I think it's much better outside.
Yo, it's too hot. Yo, outside is too hot.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now heading stop number 16, Chinatown and Batalan Streets. Batalan Street is also known as Chi Chiang Kai in Cantonese, which means the starch factory streets. These days it is a bargain hunter's paradise. Organic is a common sight, and the place is usually crowded with local as well as tourists. It is a place where you can find all sorts of stuff from Chinese herbs to imitation goods. At night is a main market area, but it transforms into a lively and vibrant night market.
Night market. Where night
Ladies
market?
and gentlemen, we are now arrived shop number 16, Chinatown and Bertaling Streets. Shop number 16, Chinatown and Bertaling Streets.
Hotel Uptown. There's a lot of hotels here. And the good thing is the hotels here are very cheap. Hotel Uptown. This is a clinic primary care for you, where you can come and take care of yourself. You can do everything here, starting from your teeth, your feet, your body, your leg, your hair, your nose, everything, costume, jewelry, everything is there. So you can take care of yourself. What's wrong? Yeah, so now here.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now arrived at number 17, Central Market of Pasar Seni. So number 17, Central Market.
Central Market. Kuala Lumpur guys, Kuala Lumpur guys, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur, Kuala Lumpur. Yeah. So guys, we are taking a tour. You know, sometimes it's better to spoil yourself, but this bus is not Ayoba. The bus itself is not Ayoba, guys. Our bus in Cape Town is better than this. Yeah, Bo, am I like?
This is home.
I'm not missing home, but I'm just saying. I'm not missing home. Sorry.
Do you miss home?
I'm not missing home. No. I was born there. I was raised there. I got married. I built my house there. It's so boring. You need to go out. See, now we decided to go out. Go out to do what? To do what, baby? To do what, baby? Explore. Explore. Yeah, explore. Yeah, let's explore. Let us explore. It's true. Look at it. There is a train, eh? Is there a train? Yeah, there is a local train. The local train is the same as our train in South Africa. Hey,
Someone misses home.
but I'm not missing home. I will never miss home. South Africa always, South Africa time and again South Africa. Every day South Africa,
You sleep South Africa.
You sleep South Africa. You wake up
bath
South Africa.
South African water.
Come on. Serious.
Waneta kuneta pula South Africa.
South Africa.
It snows in South Africa.
In South Africa. You
South
go
African snow.
You go to the toilet.
but
You toilet South Africa.
South Africa.
Imagine.
South
South
African
Africa.
storage.
Kaka how ya guy South African storage. My daughter. Serious. Hey babe. Hey babe. You do what? You kak. You kak.
Kai.
Yeah, South Africa.
South African sorry.
You pee South Africa. Ah.